pretty chilly out there. The first part here has arrived. Hopefully it fits. The reviews were mixed, but in the picture the measurements seemed right, so and it is the Recoil starter. Apparently it's fairly plasticky, but it's also inexpensive, so that's good. The other critical parts are another almost 2 weeks away, so but at least this'll get us going. Got a keychain. Goo fit, good fitting. So we'll see if it fits good. Looks all right. Looks, well, the paws are metal. I don't see an appreciable difference with the other one. Looks the same to me. Let's bolt it on. I'm not sure if it's an issue from original, but we have two different sizes of hardware going on here. Some are a 8mm socket and some are one's a 10, but at any rate, seems to line up okay. So far so good. Yeah, definitely cleans up the look too, I think. Line it up there. Yeah. All right. As long as that one isn't too long. Uh-oh. I think it is too long. I think it might be too long, this bolt. Yep, for sure. So, we'll have to find a shorter one there. In the meantime, I'm going to put, put some washers on it or something. I don't know. Only washers I had are a little too big to fit in the little notch here. Okay, well, it's cleared. So that's something. Fuel on, ignition on, choke on. feels like it might be a little faster now than last time. I guess, well, it's a little colder, and I adjusted up the chain, so maybe with less slop, there's less drivetrain loss there. So feels like it might have hit, 49.64 kilometers an hour. So much more, and I'll be getting a speed ticket on this road here. The limit's 50, so I gotta simmer down a bit, getting rowdy.